Hi guys, we've built a new ISO for ArcoLinux B Dusk, and one of the things we're going to add to this particular ISO is the fact that we have a sudo pacman-r, capital R, okay, capital shift, okay, like this, -r, ArcoLinux, and then this is Dusk, and then tab. You have here now a pacman-hook-git. What's this? The pacman-hook-git is there to make sure that the machine you're working on, so the application that you're running on, so this applies to DWM, CHA, DWM, and Dusk, they're all DWM basically. If an update comes in, and now we can do this exercise, if the developer of Dusk creates new code, we make a new package. Okay, so then you do an update, and you'll get in an ArcoLinux Dusk-git that will come in. Now the thing is, if we install this, it's gonna be in the etc shell, and this is the strange thing you'll see. The green bit. This is coming from etc shell. This is not a desktop. This is an DWM. This is built. So when new code comes in, we need to have a desktop that works. So we build it. But then, if it is not a clean install and you've been using it for months and months and years, because Dusk or DWM is super stable, you have been changing code. Your code is of course not in etc shell. It's gonna be in the personal pacman-hook Dusk start. Is gonna create your Dusk, whatever you have in this particular file called .config arcodusk. This is what he's gonna build. So if you have been changing all kinds of things, like no gaps and some coloring and stuff like that, then he'll build it again the way you see, and here you have the new Dusk, user local bin Dusk, and so on. So that's the idea, the pacman hooks that we're gonna add to the ISO. You can do it of course now, if you stay rolling, just install the guy that's called pacman-hook, the last one there, and then if we put out a new configuration of Dusk or DWM or CHDM, the thing will just say, okay, new update, I need to build my own the user's DWM, the user's CHDWM, or in this case Dusk. All right, so that's the goal, putting that particular package as well on the ISO for future reference. But if you stay rolling, you need to install it separately. The goal is having a Dusk that's really yours, right? Coming from the only place we'll look for it is here, the .config arcodusk, and of course in your personal folder there. All right, cheers.